welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today guys we are going to talk about how to enable TalkBack in a Tecno mobile and guys how can you use your TalkBack setting. In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So then first of all open your phone setting to enable your TalkBack. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see guys this type setting in your Tecno phone. So guys click on guys special function setting and guys scroll it. Guys accessibility setting, tap here. Guys click on guys your talkback setting to enable. So you want to enable, so you can use talkback from here. In the tap here to a talkback will enable, and guys you can use guys double tap to activate setting. And guys you want to scroll, so you can scroll with your two fingers guys. And guys if you take guys one finger, it will not work guys. So you can enable your talkback, and guys you can use your talkback setting. One tap and double tap to activate, then guys you can use it. So it is not safe for everyone guys, and not everyone guys don't use your talkback, but guys you want to use, so you can use your with your two finger guys if you want. So I hope friends you've understood how to enable talkback and guys how to use in Tecno mobile. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.